Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, here we are at the World Market, so let's walk around and see what they have, guys. Come on with me. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now let me leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.